With America bounding back to life, tonight there is a new warning. The CDC has officially labeled the COVID-19 Delta variant one of concern, saying that it's more easily spread and causes more severe cases than any other COVID variant. Studies show that the Pfizer vaccine is effective against the Delta variant, and experts say the other vaccines likely are too. Good news for the nearly 44% of Americans who are fully vaccinated. But the CDC guidance is sparking new worries for those who are not, including teens and young children.
If you're not vaccinated, the Delta variant will spread in your community more quickly. It will take less exposure to get COVID-19.
The variant, which was first discovered in India, now accounts for nearly 10% of all new COVID cases in the U.S.
Does this mean a bigger risk for those who are unvaccinated, including children?
It does mean a bigger risk. Once you're fully vaccinated, are proving fairly effective against this. So that's the good news. But if you're unvaccinated, especially children, you need to remember that protection, especially with the mask and social distancing, is still extremely important.
And for health officials, one more reason to urge Americans to get the shot. Blaine Alexander, NBC News.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.